The Magic Pencil. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Tom. Tom loved to draw and paint. One day, he found an old pencil in his grandma's attic. It was very special. When you drew something, it became real. Tom was so excited. He started drawing a cat. Suddenly, the cat appeared on the floor. Then, he drew a dog. The dog ran around the room. Tom drew a house, and it became a beautiful home. But then, things got out of hand. Tom drew a giant monster. It was very big and scary. Tom didn't know what to do. He had to make everything go back to normal. So he took the pencil and erased all his drawings. The cat disappeared, and so did the dog. The house went away too, even the monster vanished. Tom learned that with great power comes great responsibility. From then on, he used the magic pencil carefully, making only good things appear.